Agent, your mission is to find the cause of these anomalies. Keep an eye on her.
We're actually in the digital world!
Does everything lead back to them? They're a new investigation partner. Others are hunting these anomalies. More Digimon? Agent, we need you. You must